Hi guys, panibago na namang new earning application ng ating i-review. So maglo-long term na naman to sa Mitonis PASIX, no. Meron siyang daily check-in na 5 pesos. Then pagka-register nyo may libre na 100 pesos. Nga lang medyo mababa lang yung kitaan sa 500 pesos. No, so meron siyang app, the download app, may customer service, meron po tayong Telegram GC. So ayan guys, no. Ito po yung mga products nila, yung 500 pesos kikita ng 62.40 per day. Ayan, so 5 beses ka pwede makapag-invest niyan. Then, yung 1,500 kikita ng 180 pesos per day. 4,180 pesos per day. Then, 8,180 pesos per day. 15,025 pesos. Ay, hindi. Sorry guys medyo nalito kasi ako Yung 4,000 pala, kikita ng 571 per day. Yung 1,500 kikita ng 214 pesos per day. Yung 8,000 kikita ng 1,333 per day. 15,000 kikita ng 2,500 pesos per day. Yung 20,000, 4,000 pesos per day. 50,000, 10,000 pesos per day. Then yung 100,000, 25,000 per day. So yun guys, kung gusto niyo mag-invest dito, ilalagay ko na lang po sa pinned comment section ko yung aking link. And ang minimum withdraw dito guys is 120. Meron siyang 6% na withdrawal fee, 9 AM to 5 PM, Monday to Sunday. Withdrawal time is 30 minutes. No, withdraw once a day. You need to purchase any product before you can withdraw money, no. So yun lang guys, thank you for watching and happy earnings, and please subscribe to my channel for more videos and for more updates. Bye bye.